Dapat siguro yung kasama niya.
Akala ko pa natin na isa.
Hindi ba kakanta?
Utang na, nag-commit-commit kayo. Bini daw, bini.
Oh, I forgot to tell you. My bad, my mistake. I forgot to tell you that if your applause is not too loud, it won't play. Right? One more time! Mark until you! See? Your applause is not loud enough.
No.
From the beginning, please.
From the top. Ladies and gentlemen, live Mark until you!
Sir. Yeah, from the top. From the top, please. Yeah.
Baka. Kaya sugod nga, abot lang. Pabinit oh. Ganyan na lang yung team. Nainit ang cellphone.
From the beginning, please.
Kadala, dito lang niya, pasok.
Walang alam. Anong parang para sa mo tayo.
Mark, join me here, please, here at the center. While they're still fixing the problem. What's the feeling of winning an international competition being a Filipino? What's the moment that the decision was announced that you won? What was your feeling during the time?
I felt super proud of myself to be able to showcase my talent internationally and to also represent the Philippines.
Okay. Who are Filipinos here? Are you proud of him? Okay, so let's play that song. Okay, wait a minute. Mark, who is with you here? Your mom and dad, right?
Yeah.
At what age you start singing? Because we know that there are aspiring singers here. Who would like to sing like Mark? You wanna sing like Mark? Who's teaching you how to sing? Okay, you're vocal coach, but at what age you start stretching your vocal cords?
I started my first competition when I was 7.
7! 7, that